Wales has got a proud history of culture, of arts, of language, of storytelling, and that's what we brought together in an event here today. Taking the concept of the Eisteddfod chair and creating a chair for future generations, which will be going to the Welsh Government for them to have in their cabinet office, in their cabinet room, so when they're taking decisions, there is a seat around the table for future generations, and it's a constant reminder that they need to act in their interests. But also hearing the stories of Blodeuwydd from the children of Ysgol Prosgadfan. So this young girl, Hannah, connecting all of her friends, her family, her schoolmates back to Blodeuwydd, that sort of Mabinogion character who symbolises nature. And that's so incredibly powerful. That connects us back to what is this all about? It's actually about making sure that we are leaving the world better than we found it for young people like Hannah and her friends.
Da ni'n wirioneddol yn credu mai o fewn y sector celfyddydol, y sector diwylliant yma yng Nghymru, dyna lle gewn ni'r syniadau fydd e'n gallu ein herio ni i feddwl yn greadigol o ran ein ymateb ni i'r newid hinsawdd. A da ni wedi gweld nifer o astudiaethau achos ar draws Cymru. Mae'n sector sydd yn barod i weithredu, yn barod i gydweithio gyda'r sectorau cyhoeddus. A mae rhaid i ni wrando ac i weithredu ac i gefnogi'r sector yna felly mwyn i ni ymateb i'r argyfwng.
For myself as a poet, I guess that is kind of my way of taking all these feelings that I feel and the things that I see. I might not be able to, go up and speak to politicians, but I can read a poem that connects with people, and I really want to kind of communicate that even small moments of hope, small actions can really make a big difference if we do that as a collective.